Hey, here we got CES 2023, and Razer has released the Razer Edge handheld gaming. It's pretty lightweight, as you can see here. It's got the volume controls here on the top of the gaming device. So it's pretty good. Feels good. Power buttons right behind, underneath it. The analog triggers here feels actually pretty good, pretty responsive. Feels good. As you can see, both sides here very quickly bounce back. They also control the gaming screen as well. You can either go up or down, either one. The D-pad feels good, also very responsive. You can use it. The joysticks also feel pretty good. They kind of snap in pretty good in place. The touchscreen is actually pretty responsive as well, and it's also going to be doing. If you have an Xbox Games subscription, you'll be able to play all your games here. But you're gonna have to also, if you want to play stream games, you can do the Steam Link download it. Since this is actually an Android device, you'll be able to play Google Play games as well. So you're gonna be cloud. So if you have an Xbox Game Pass, you'll be able to play all these games on this device. It's pretty thin. You can see here. It looks like this is the 5G version that you got the SIM tray in the bottom there. Flip screen's pretty responsive as well. The glare on it, it's pretty glary. If you play it, indoors or where you have some shade, it's pretty good. The screen's very good. It's got the AMOLED screen. It's 144 hertz. It's a 6.8-inch screen, so it's very vibrant and everything you can see here. Again, the glare is pretty good. It's got the 3.5mm jack at the bottom of the joystick, USB-C at the right-hand side. The back, you can see, you can kind of grip it very good if you put your fingers there and you can hold it. It's got this joystick. This is the, I believe this is called the Razer Keyshelf version 2 Pro holder. It snaps in the device. Camera up at the top here, so I believe maybe you have some gaming that you can do online. As you can see, you can swipe down just like any Android device because it does support Android. And it's also powered by the Snapdragon G3X Gen 1. So, it should be pretty fast. It's got the active cooled gaming chipset, so it keeps it on the cool side as well. And you can use the touchscreen if you want, or you can use it with this gamepad. So it actually, the way is pretty good. Games, actually, you can see here, I'm trying to do the racing game here. So it's very responsive with the controls. I'm going out of control here, but just want to show you guys that it plays pretty good. The Wi-Fi version is actually going to be $400, and they are going to have the Verizon 5G version as well. That's going to come in roughly at $600. But as you can see here, that if you I think if you can pre-order, you can get Verizon's for $360. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabytes storage, and like I said, it's got 5,000 milliamp battery, so it should give you a pretty good size gameplay in here. Hopefully, if you guys have any questions, leave some comments below. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as I can. But again, once again, this is the Razer Edge. It comes in a Wi-Fi and 5G version.